Good morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmi Green School, Thareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th math and our chapter is chapter number 6, that is triangle and its properties. Okay, first of all student, we know what is triangle. A triangle is a closed figure made of three line segment, made up of three line segment, and it is a closed figure. Then we can say that it's a triangle. Okay, understand? Now see this figure. This figure is called a triangle. Okay, because this is three lines and closed figure. Or you can say that the closed figure formed by three non-parallel line segment is called a triangle. Okay, consider this triangle ABC. Here AB, BC and CA are the side of this triangle. Okay, these are the side AB, BC and CA are the side of a triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, these are three angles and vertices. What are the vertices? Angle. These are the vertices. A, B and C are the vertices of this triangle. The side opposite to the vertex A is BC. See here. If we talk about side एंगल वर्टेक्स ए के अपोजिट साइड कौन सी है हमारे पास में बी सी, वर्टेक्स बी के अपोजिट साइड दैट इज ए सी एंड वर्टेक्स सी के अपोजिट साइड दैट इज ए बी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? बेस्ड ऑन साइड they are we have divided triangles into three parts, that is isosceles, scalene and equilateral triangle. That is isosceles, scalene and equilateral triangles. Okay, understand? Based on their sides and based on their angles, they are also divided in three parts, that is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Okay, so if you talk about what is scalene triangle, scalene triangle mean of scalene triangle means no one side are equal length. We can say that it's a scalene triangle. Okay, and if two sides of an equal length, then we can say that it's a triangle in which any two of its sides are of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. Okay, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, so triangle can be classified according to the length of their side and according to their interior angle. Okay, so according to their length of sides we can divide it into three parts, that is scalene, isosceles and right angle. Okay, scalene, isosceles and right angle triangle. Okay, understand? Scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle. Okay, what is isosceles triangle? That is two sides of are equal length, then we can say that it's an isosceles triangle. Only no one sides are equal length, then we can say that it's an scalene, and all sides of equal length, then we can say that it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, understand? Now according to their angles we can divide it into classified it into again three parts. First is acute angle triangle, a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree. All the angle are less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. Okay, a triangle having its one angle having its one angle at a right angle is called right angle triangle. Okay, a triangle having one of its angle more than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, understand? So remember these six type of triangle. Total how many type of triangle are there? Six type. First is equilateral, isosceles, scalene, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, understand? Now if we talk about median of a triangle, before we talking about median of a triangle, remember these things. In a triangle there are three angles. Okay, understand? So and in triangle there are six elements, total six elements. Which are the element of the triangle? That is the three sides of that triangle and three angles of that triangle. Okay, understand? And now the line segment forming a triangle are the three sides, okay, of a triangle. Means अगर हम बात करें ट्रायंगल ए बी सी की, तो ए बी सी एंड सी ए आर द साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल एंड द पॉइंट वेयर टू of the three sides of a triangle intersect is called the vertex of the triangle. A triangle has three vertices. A, B, C are the three vertices. Means are the three vertices of triangle, that is triangle A, B, C. Okay, when two line segment intersect, they form an angle at that point. In the triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C are three angles of this triangle. What do you mean by interior of a triangle? What is interior of a triangle? Interior means, if I talk about what is interior of a triangle, these points are interior of a triangle. Okay, boundary of a triangle, if the points are on the boundary of this triangle. And what about exterior? Exterior means triangle के boundary से बाहर की side जो point है, that are called exterior of the triangle. Okay, understand? So remember this, the interior region along with the boundary. If we talk about interior region, then we can say that interior region along with the boundary is known as interior triangular region. Okay, understand? So remember, if the points included interior and boundary of the triangle is called triangular region. Okay, understand? Now median and altitude of a triangle. What is median of a triangle? If a straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of side opposite to it is called median of the triangle. Okay, see here, कोई भी triangle है. If we talk about this triangle, this is ABC triangle. So median क्या है? उसके vertex से opposite side पर खींचा हुआ perpendicular. Okay, a straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called the median of a triangle. A straight line that join a vertex of a triangle with a point on the side opposite it and is perpendicular to that side is called the altitude. If this is perpendicular, then it is called altitude. Okay, and if just these are called median. Okay, so they are two difference. Means see here, this is median, and if the line is perpendicular, then it is called altitude. Okay, the line segment AD joining the midpoint of BC to its opposite vertex A is called median. ओके, अगर ये लाइन सेगमेंट इस टाइप से आती है जो हमारा सेकंड वाला फिगर दिया हुआ है, तो हम इसे बोलेंगे मीडियन ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ in this figure, how many medians you can draw? How many medians? 3 vertex are here, so you can draw 3 medians. Okay, see here, from B you can draw this median, from C you can draw this. Okay, understand? So each triangle has 3 median and 3 altitude. Okay, understand? Each triangle has 3 median and 3 altitude. If we talk about this triangle, so AD is the median of triangle ABC, and B and D is also median, and CF is also the median of the triangle. Okay, understand? So an altitude can lie in the exterior of a triangle. एल्टीट्यूड बाहर भी हो सकता है, एक्सटीरियर में भी हो सकता है. टू साइड इन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल आर इट्स एल्टीट्यूड. ओके, मीडियन एंड एल्टीट्यूड कोइंसाइड इज इन एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. इफ द ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलेटरल देन मीडियन एंड एल्टीट्यूड आर कोइंसाइड, मीन्स एक ही रहेंगे वो. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, see here altitude. About altitude, if the line is perpendicular then AL is called the altitude. AL is called the altitude. Okay, understand? So how many altitude can a triangle have? At least 3 altitude of any triangle having 3 altitude. Okay, understand? So student, we can learn in this chapter what is triangle. 3-sided closed figure is called triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. In the given figure, the polygon is a triangle, and triangle is also called polygon. Polygon is also called triangle because they have 3 sides. Okay, understand? And triangle, we have divided triangle into total 6 part, that is according to sides. They have scalene, isosceles, equilateral. What is scalene? All 3 sides are of different measurement. What is isosceles? 2 sides are equal. And what is equilateral? All 3 sides are equal. Okay, according to angles, if we divide the triangle, then that is acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, what is acute angle triangle? All 3 angles are acute, means less than 90 degree. Okay, one angle in right angle, one angle is a right angle, means one angle, only one angle is a right angle. And in obtuse angle triangle, one angle is an obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Okay, understand? Now interior of a triangle, point laying inside the boundary of the triangle from the interior of the triangle. Okay, understand? What is exterior? Point laying outside the boundary of the triangle from the exterior of the triangle. Okay, then triangle, point laying on the side means boundary. If the points laying on the boundary of a triangle, then we can say that it's a boundary of a triangle. And what is triangular region? Triangular region include interior and boundary. Okay, the triangular region means that is boundary along with interior form, the is called triangular region. Okay, understand? Opposite side, opposite angle and opposite vertices. Side opposite to the given vertex of or angle. Okay, so if we talk about this triangle ABC, then what is the opposite side of vertex A? BC. BC is the opposite side of vertex A. What is the opposite side of vertex B? Vertex B का opposite side है AC. Okay, so you can remember this thing. Okay, angle opposite to the given side. If we talk about, if BC is given, then what is the opposite angle? Opposite angle is A. Okay, understand? Now what is median? The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. Okay, understand? Now altitude, The perpendicular drawn from a vertex to the opposite side is called an altitude. Okay, understand? Now let's see exercise 6.1. Question number 1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. If D is the midpoint, then PM. What is PM? सी PM में आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है डेट इज़ 90 डिग्री, मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर है ये. तो परपेंडिकुलर क्या होता है? एल्टीट्यूड. सो PM इज़ द एल्टीट्यूड. यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है? PM इज़ द एल्टीट्यूड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, what is PD? PD is the median. Okay, is QM is equal to MR? No, you can easily see in the figure. You can see that QM is not equal to MR. Okay, understand? Draw a rough sketch for the following. Draw a rough sketch for the following. In triangle ABC, B is the median. If you can draw triangle ABC, BE, which is the median? BE is the median. So this is your BE. Okay, understand? This is your median. Or you can draw this type also. A, B, C and BE is the median. Okay, understand? Now सॉरी, जो मीडियन होती है वो मिड पॉइंट पर कट करती है हमेशा. ठीक है, अगर आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे ABC, सो दिस इज योर मीडियन. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड B. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. If you draw triangle PQR, and PQ and PR are the altitude of the triangle. So आपको इसका रफ स्केच बनाना है. ओके, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. So you can draw exterior altitude. Okay, understand? Verify the drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. So see this question and try to do by yourself. Okay, understand? So do it. Exercise 6.1. कोशिश करो इसको करने की. Today is your exam over, so I will give you some homework. If you understand, then do exercise 6.1. Okay, have a good day.